Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Doc Crisbo TV. This afternoon, no, May 6, we'll be talking more about leadership. Okay, it's very timely that we are talking about this topic, no, leadership. Especially right now, we are experiencing this crisis once again, no, struck up our country and the whole world, no. Not only that, no, it's high time that we should improve our leadership, first of all, in ourselves, in our family, in our business, and in our community as well. So, it's good that I can add up, no, a little value or a little of learning about leadership. So, before I move on to the topic, leadership, I would like to greet, of course, the leaders of our company, no, RCT Group. First, I would like to thank, no, my mentors in real estate industry, no, in our company, Boss RCD, no, Boss Roland Dilantar. Thank you very much. Of course, Ma'am May, our VP in RCD Land. Of course, the President and CEO of RCD Realty Marketing Corporation, Mr. Arvid Francisco. Of course, the Vice President Architect Ray D. De Leon, and some of the heads, no, of our department, which I should say a great leader also, no, from the loans department. Sheila Kagigla from Marketing of Asset Management, Ayen Desembrada, and of course, our accounting manager, Ms. Maricel Relosa. Of course, our HROD head, no other than my very own partner, Sir Tosh Alencastre. And of course, no, I would like also to give thanks and a great acknowledgement, no, to all of the leaders in the field, no, sa sales, no. First, siyempre, no, bilisan ko lang po yung aking acknowledgement dahil ang dami nila from the north, no, Bulacan area, no. There is Marivic Reyes of Hawaii, Joe Dinolo of France, Herbie Murphy of Italy, Irene De La Cruz of Platinum, Merlin Carino of Diamond, the newest division, Alain Aguinaldo, and Michelle Guades. And of course, from Cavite branch, Alma Espiritu, Sem Sale, Tess Anacion, Salve Teves, Elago, Luna Snyder, and of course, the tall, dark, and handsome Mr. Boy Gonzalo. Of course, in the south, no, Laguna branch, Ann Pidida, the newest division, Concepcion Napolitano, Gary Ramos, Andy Balchenda, Sarah Jane Olikino, and siyempre, Ma'am Norma Ibonya. So those are our leaders. So I hope I can give justice to this topic, no. Very timely po itong topic natin kasi it's more on leadership, no. We are in the situation wherein we go back to our previous experience. Ano ba yung nangyayari nung araw, no? Parehas lang ba itong crisis na nangyayari sa atin ngayon saka yung noon saka yung ngayon. So it's very important that we should be, no, one step forward, no, as a leader, no. So we'll be talking here more on how can we manage, no? How can we become a good master, no? How can we become a good servant, no? How can we give the best or we can sustain the needs of these people that are relying on us as a leader. Okay? So start with, no, as a leader, there is what we call, no, a values that is incorporated to a leader, no. Dito po sa amin, sa RCD, ang pinangahawakan namin dito ay, no, the one that fuels us to success is no other than hope, no. Ito yung aming values, no. may acronym siya na HOPE, no? Laging may pag-asa, no? Siya yung nag-i-ignite, no? Siya yung tanging pinangahawakan natin sa ngayon, lalong-lalo na may tinatawag tayong pandemic. Pag-asa na lang, no? Pag nawalan ka pa ng pag-asa, well, no? Sabi nga nila, pag wala ka ng pag-asa sa ganitong situation, no? You will left behind. Okay? So, but in this, no? Our core values is very timely also, no? Swak na swak doon sa ating pag-uusapan. Ano ba ang core value, no? This is some of the values that we give an important attention, no? Especially in our company. This one that fuels us to keep on moving. No? Number one is for the HOPE, H stands for honesty. No? Very important that as a leader, you should possess that kind of attitude. No? This is a kind of attitude that very important. No? Pagka po ang pinag-usapan natin ay selling, no? Honesty, then we have oneness, no? It's time for all of us, no? To magkaisa tayo, no? Lalong-lalo na sa paglaban nitong nangyayari sa atin ng crisis, no? Pagka kanya-kanya tayo, well, we cannot defeat, no? We cannot we cannot move on. At the same time, we cannot conquer, no? We cannot conquer the world of selling and investing. So how can we dominate this kind of situation? We should what? We should do yung pagkakaisa or oneness. And of course, very important po is what? You should be always proactive. No? Kailangan dito you are one step forward lagi. Hindi yung ikaw ay very reactive, no? Kung kailan nangyari, saka ka palang magre-react. So, kung ngayon mo gagawin yan, ngayong nangyayari ngayon sa ating bansa, well, no? Saan ka pupulutin, no? It's high time, no? That we should be proactive. And of course, no? The last is, for the acronym of HOPE is yung other, letter E is excellence. No? We should always do our best. No? We should exceed what? The limitation. We should go beyond the limit. No? That is excellence. Doing things beyond expectation. It is a culture that we should develop in a company so that we can be more productive and we can contribute more, not only in the company but of course in our family. No? Pagka ikaw ay excellent ang ginagawa mo. No? Hindi pwede yung pwede na. Lalong-lalo na ngayon, no? We are adjusting or we are coping to the changes in the environment. No? Dati we are doing traditional and now we are doing the advanced or the modern way of selling, which is online selling. No? We are using now the technology. No? Ito na ngayon, no? Yung era na tinatawag nating technological advancement or technological disruption. Dito na pumapasok yan. So, kailangan natin, we should what, no? As a leader, we should develop a culture of hope, that is honesty, oneness, proactive, and excellence. That is the core values as a good leader and what? As a leader in the industry or as one of the member of this company, RCD Realty Marketing Corporation. Sabi nga, no? Hope fuels our vision and vision. Ito yung nagbibigay ng, ano ba yung fuel, no? Gasolina. Give us fuel, no? In order for, ano ba ginagawa ng gasolina, no? Siya yung nagpapatakbo, nagpapaandar, no? At, no? In order for us to achieve our mission, kailangan nandoon yung aming mindset. No? There is always hope, no? For us to achieve the vision of the company and the mission of the company. So, this afternoon, no, we will also give you ano ba yung blueprint of success ng RCD Realty Marketing Corporation. So, ginawan ko po yan ng acronym na RCD Realty. So, bawat letter, nandyan po yung blueprint of success ng RCD. So, ano ba yan, no? Actually po, ang success lang naman talaga kung kung titingnan natin, tatlo lang yan. If you are in selling, no? Number one is you recruit, you train, and then you activate. No? But right now, you will do it online. No? That's why dito po sa RCD, I have the acronym for success. No? I do it on a manner that can easily be remembered kasi iisipin mo, if you're a member of this company, RCD Realty lang. So, let's start. So, stands for you recruit people or the keyword there is you win it. Kailangan, pag naka-recruit ka ng other salesperson, ano ang tawag dyan? No? Panalo ka. You win it. No? You influence it. No? Ano yung susunod? No? From RCD Realty, letter C, you create leaders. A good leaders, a great leaders, do not create followers. Instead, they create also leader. Kaya nga, kailangan, pagka-leader ka, it should be sustainable and replicable. So, anong keyword dyan? You have to prove it na kaya mo na mag-create ng leader. Ano pa? As a leader, you should design a pitch. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Ikaw bibigay ng tono. Anong klaseng tono? Oh, yung pitch, no? The keyword is, you build it. You're the one who make the structure, the strategy, or the direction of your division. Okay? So, yun po, no? RCD, no? Recruit people, create leaders, design the pitch. So, punta tayo doon sa realty. Ano ba yung realty? So, R stands for retain and relate. No? Retain and relate. Since we are in a relationship business, as a good leader, in order for you to become successful, you should maintain a good and harmonious relationship so that there will be what we call retention in the organization. Ang keyword niyan is harmonize it. No? Pag relationship ang pinag-usapan, ang keyword is you harmonize it. So, letter E is energize the process. No? Kailangan if you were going to take the process, no? The step by step, no? Sabi nga sa science, yung scientific method, no? From the problem down to the conclusion and generalization, kailangan medyo energize yan. Or, ang keyword dyan is kailangan you trust it. Kailangan maniwala ka sa proseso. Otherwise, no? You will not reach the peak, no? Yung pinaka-peak ng iyong career, at the same time, medyo hilaw ka, no? Pag hindi ka dumaan sa proseso. Okay? Ano pa? Letter A is, this is very important, no? As a leader in real estate. No? Once you recruit people, dahil sila ay salespeople, you should activate salespeople. No? Huwag mong hayaan na nandoon lang siya sa isang tabi na hindi siya aktibo. Nakalagay dyan, activate salespeople, or as a leader, you should push it. No? Kailangan medyo may konting push ka sa mga tao mo. Pag na-activate mo sila, doon nagkakaroon ng katuparan bilang isang member sila ng isang organization sa real estate. Pag sila nakabenta o naka-strike one na benta, that is what we call activation. No? Naka-commission sila, naka-advance commission, that is activation. That's the first step of duplicating yourself. Ngayon, tuturuan mo yan later on nitong blueprint natin in order also for them to become a good leader just like you. Okay? And letter L is what? Leverage on needs and wants. So, kailangan i-capitalize mo, no? Yung needs and wants. No? Ang keyword natin dyan is you should expand, no? Pag sinabing leverage, you should be expanding, no? Expanding your network. And of course, T is, this is also very important in leadership, no? You should what? Doing the training and taking advantage. Taking advantage in what way, you know? Taking advantage of the technology right now. Taking advantage of this event, we are in crisis, no? Huwag kang nasa isang tabi lang, no? You take advantage of the situation, no? And you train, very important ang train. Di bali gumastos ng konti. Ang importante, natuto yung iyong na-recruit. No? Hindi yung na-recruit mo, kumain lang sa seminar, kinaumagahan hindi mo na nakita. No? You should what? You should consistently train it, or ang keyword natin dyan is educate it. No? You should continue educating your downline so that this will be the proof of what? Replication or duplication. Okay? So, the last is realty. To complete realty is why, there's wala na pong ibang gaganda pa, doon sa salitang action, or you make it happen. Lahat po ito na keyword, will not come into reality if you will not make it happen. So, ang keyword dyan is the choice is yours. Parang folk lang. The choice is yours. So, this is RCD rules, RCD Blueprint of Success. Ulitin natin, RCD Realty, recruit people, create leaders, design the pitch, retain and relate, energize the process, activate salespeople, leverage on needs and wants, training, and taking advantage, and why you make it happen. Okay? Meron po akong ginawang isang kasabihan, ang pagiging leader ay wala yan sa itsura. Ano man ang itsura mo, pwede ka maging leader. Wala rin yan sa dami ng pinag-aralan. Maski ikaw ay doctorate pa. Maski ikaw ay master pa. Wala yan sa pinag-aralan. Wala din yan sa dami ng kayamanan mo. Nasa tamang pag-uugali, tamang pakikitungo, at kailangan may takot o may pananampalataya ka dapat sa Diyos. Okay? Also, for you to easily catch up, ano ang definition ng leaders? Kayo, gusto mong maging leader, ito lang ang gawin mong pamantayan. May acronym din, leaders, Leaders are people who leads by example, act with discipline, that is embodied by respect and sacrifice. Kailangan nandyan yung respeto. Pag wala kang respeto, ang hirap maging leader ng walang tamang respeto. Ang respeto masyadong malawak. And leads by example. Hindi yung ang ginagaya mo yung salesperson. Dapat ikaw yung gagayahin. Ikaw yung role model. Ikaw dapat sa'yo nakikita yung mabuting pag-uugali, mabuting pagkikitungo sa kapwa. Sa'yo dapat manggaling at hindi sa downline mo. Okay? Discipline, Ano ba yung discipline? Napaka-broad ng discipline. It's something to do with your what? With yourself. That is what we call, other term is that you should possess this kind of qualities as a good leader. You should have the self-control, Dapat medyo may discipline. Pag may disiplina ka, ito yung delayed gratification. Hindi mo gagawin yan kasi hindi kailangan gawin. Okay? So, yan po, sana natuto kayo dyan sa aking acronym, Ako po ang nagbigay niyan. Leaders, lead by example, act with discipline, that embodied respect and sacrifice. Sabi dito, the greatest sacrifice is when you sacrifice your own happiness for the sake of someone else. So, kaya nyo ba yan, Lalo ngayon, Lalo ngayong panahon na to, Nagsasakripisyo ka ba, Maraming nagugutom ngayon, Kung ikaw ay meron, huwag ka nang makipila doon sa mga wala, Ubaya mo na yan sa mga wala, Yan po ang wala, Yan po ang sacrifice, You sacrifice yourself, Ano pa ang form of sacrifice? Kailangan ka ng company mo, Nag-birthday yung anak mo, Pwede mo naman siguro pagbigyan kahit konti yung company. Those are some of the sacrifices. You should be present at any time, at any rate, so that you can give the best of what you have in your life. Mahirap po yung sacrifice. Sabi nga ni Francis Kong, one of my idol in terms of leadership, sabi niya, passion daw is what? It's not totally love for work, Passion is equivalent to sacrifice, If you have that passion in a certain areas, dapat ang equivalent niyan, marunong kang mag-sacrifice. Okay? So, ano pa, Sabi dito, as a leader, you should what? You should always be focus, Dapat focus ka lagi. For you to be focused, dapat maganda ang ang status, ang state ng mind mo. Kasi bakit? Sabi dito, everything emanates in the mind. Lahat ng bagay, lahat ng gusto mong ma-achieve, lahat ng gusto mong gawin, nagsisimula yan saan? sa mind mo, no? Diyan yan nagsisimula, no? At the top, no? Sabi nga po sa isang kasabihan, no? Isang motivation, no? Motivational phrase, no? Once you control your mind, you can conquer the world. No? Dalawang bagay lang naman yan, no? You control your mind or your mind will control you. No, mahirap 'yon, no? Dapat you're the one that controlling your mind. Okay? Okay, so as a good leaders, sabi natin, no, nasabi ko na kanina doon sa Blueprint of Success, good leaders that does not produce followers, they produce good leaders also. At the same time, there is the presence of sustainable and replicable. No? Matuwa ka kung sa organization mo o sa isang division mo, meron kang naging katulad mo na division din. No? Isa yan pagpapatunay na ikaw ay isang magaling na leader. No? I really appreciate. No? I really salute all those leaders that create also leaders just like them. Lalong-lalo na kung nakapag-create ka na mas magaling pa sa'yo. Dapat ang perception lagi, ang mindset mo lagi as a leader, makaproduce ka ng leader na mas magaling kaysa sa'yo. Kasi bakit? It will become your legacy in your life. Okay. So, pag sinabing leadership, it is something to do with, you should what? You should grow the individual, no? You should influence them to grow for the better, no? Lumago sila, katulad po ng nakikita nyo, that is leadership, no? You're handling them to grow for the better, no? Just like po, pag leadership ang pinag-uusapan, lagi ko naalala yung aking the head of the family, no? My father, of course, also right now I am also head of family. Siyempre, diyan po nagsisimula ang leadership, no? Laging nagsisimula yan sa pamilya. Kung maganda ang pagtuturo sa iyo ng leader ng pamilya, definitely, pag lumaki ka, maganda rin yung leadership na mamamana mo, no? Doon po nagsisimula. The smallest unit in the community always begins with the family. No? Kamukha pa kami ng tatay ko. No? That's my father. No? And, you know, if you want also to become a good leader, you should find a mentor. You should find an idol. You idolize something. No? These are people in terms of power selling, in terms of leadership, in terms of wealth creation, at the same time about yung direction or excellence in leadership, no? Ito po ang mga idolo ko, no? Si Mr. Francis Kong and Mr. Ching Kitan, okay? And of course, no, my mentor in the company, ito po yung tatlong magigiting. In the middle is the owner, the founder, chairman, and president and CEO, Mr. Roland C. Delantar. On the left side is the president and CEO, Mr. Arvin Francisco, and on the right side, the vice president, Architect Ray Pidillo. Napakagaling na leader. Ang natutunan ko po sa kanila, lahat po itong sinasabi ko ay galing sa kanila po lahat ito natutunan, i-mix ko lang into one. That's why I have created a module na maaari kong ma-share sa inyo, ma-impart. Of course, pag sinabing leadership, I always consult, no? This man, no? A great man of the in the history, no? Sabi nga nila, no, yung mission niya sa ibabaw ng mundo ay hanggang ngayon ay ginagawa niya pa rin at ginagawa na din natin. So siya po ang nagiging batayan ko, no? Once I make decision as a leader, I always go back to the formula, no? Dalawa lang po ang formula ko sa buhay, no? As a leader, if I to decide on the matters, no, I always go back to the mission. Ito po ang turo ng aking mga mentor dito sa company, no? You should always, Chris, go back to the mission. If you want to decide, go back. Ano ba ang mission natin? No? Ang mission natin is, nag-iisa lang, to help. Oh, yun. Mabibigyan ka na niya ng guide, no? Of course, I always do the formula WWJD. Okay? Ano ibig sabihin ng WWJD? No? What would Jesus do? No? Ano yung ginawa ni Jesus? So, all you need to do is what? To read as many works, no? Yung mga ginawa noon ni Jesus Christ. Yun ang nagiging batayan mo to do or to decide on something, no? Yun po, no? The mission and WWJD. So, ano ba? No, character is not essential to leadership. No? Bakit? No? Kasi alam nyo, no? Character sometimes, no? Anong klaseng character ba yan, no? Or, pwede ba the other way around, no? No? Pwede ba the other way around, no? Mamaya papaliwanag natin bakit character is not essential in leadership. Pero, ito, no? Leadership, this is the other way around. Leadership is not essential to character. Ano ibig sabihin? Hindi porkit, hindi kailangan na maging leader ka, no? Para mag-possess ka ng magandang character. No? Dapat, kahit hindi ka leader, always brings with you your character. No? Sabi natin kanina, bakit hindi essential? Because magkakaiba ang type ng leadership. No? But, magkakaiba din ang type ng character. Sabi dito, character is only essential when the character is what makes you a leader worth following. No? Kung ikaw ay yung bang character mo na yan ay maganda na pamantayan, no? Sa organisasyon na ito. No? You should develop a character, your what do you call it? Innate qualities, no? that can influence people to be better, not only in life but in his or her professional or career. Okay? So, what are the examples of this? Bigyan ko po kayo ng mga example ng mga leader. No? If you know this two-man, no? Ito po ang replica, no? Ng mga great leader in the history. No? Ito po yung sinasabi ko na character is not essential to leadership. Bakit? No? On the left side, you see if you know him, the African president, no? The African president, Nelson Mandela, no? One of the hero on altruism. Ibig sabihin nun, na mapagbigay siya, no? Without expecting anything in return. No? Ano naman yung kabila? Hero din ba yan? Great leader in the past, no? Pero mabagsik, no? No, it's what? It's It's the good and the bad leader. Sino ba yung susundan mo? Okay? So other thing is, if you know this man, no? The man of enlightenment, no? This is Mahatma or Mohandas Gandhi. On the other side is the man of, kung kabila ay enlightenment, dito the man on kung doon ay enlightened, dito ay darkened. No? Sino ba yan? President of Iraq, no? Karoon ng gera, no? Want to trigger war in Middle East, no? And of course, sino pa, no? These are great leaders, no? Warren Buffett, sabi niya, price is what you pay, value is what you get. Okay, so the best thing with Warren Buffett is that marami po siyang natulungang tao, no? Almost more than 50% of his wealth has been donated to the public, no? Doon sa mga nangangailangan talaga. Okay? So that's the essence of a good leader. And another great leader, no? Si Mother Teresa, no? Sabi niya, no? If you can feed 100 people, then feed just one. Isa lang. Okay? And of course, another great leader, no? In our country, no? Saan ba ito nagsimula, no? This man experienced so much pain, no? Napaka-painful ng story ni Manny Pacquiao. But right now, look at Manny Pacquiao, no? A great boxer, a great senator, and of course, ngayon, he is teaching the Word of God, no? And he is one of the evangelizer, no? And of course, siyempre, isa sa mga inuudulo namin dito, no? No other than our founder, the owner of RCD Group, the chairman of the board, and the President and CEO of RCD Land Incorporated, Mr. Roland C. Delantar. Ano po ang sabi niya? Ang sabi niya po is, I'm going to be successful in this business, and when I am already successful, I'm going to take people with me. Alam niyo po, napakagaling ng taong to, especially, napaka-painful din, no? Nung kanyang story, no? Galing sa isang mahirap na pamilya, So, ngayon po, nagkaroon ng malaking empire, no, in real estate, no. Lalong lumalaki pa siya ngayon because of his very down to earth na attitude, no. Hindi mo siya kakitaan ng ano ba yan, no? Maraming palamuti sa katawan. A very simple man, a very simple leader which is a very big heart, no. He always act with compassion, no. Napaka, no? And one thing po na I remember when I was first hired in this company, a very resilient man, very firm, and a man that never quit or never give up, no? He wants to keep on moving, no? Sa kanya ko po natutunan din yung word na extra mile. You should go extra mile, no? And marami, no? Marami po akong natutunan in terms of leadership way back now 20 years ago. Okay? So character, ito po yung definition, is the will to do what is right even if it is difficult. No? Kahit na napakahirap niyan, basta yan ang tama na dapat natin gawin, we should do it. Okay. To develop your character, you must begin at the end. Ano ibig sabihin? Ano ibig sabihin niya, no? You ask yourself, no, what you hear from your friends and family at your funeral, no? Malalaman mo lang kung gaano kagaling, no, gaano kaganda ang kanyang pag-uugali, no? Sabi dito, no, during his or her funeral, no? Bakit, no? Pagka namatay ang isang tao, no? For example, Fernando Po Jr., marami bang dumalo? Yes. Bakit? Fernando Poe Jr. is known for what? No? Napakamalapit niya sa tao. No? Napakamasa para sa mga mahihirap. Marami siyang natulungan. No? Ano pa? Maganda yung kanyang character. No? So, dapat ngayon pa lang, no? Huwag mo nang hantayin na mamatay ka. No? Para malaman na ikaw ay you have this character. No? Sabi ko nga, no? Live as if it is your last. Always give your best shot because you never know what awaits you tomorrow. Okay? Always be preferred for the worst. Do not prefer for the best. No? The best, no? Kaya mo yan. But always preferred for the worst. Ano ibig sabihin? Alam niyo po, no? Ngayon, lalo na nagkaroon tayo ng biglaang krisis. Marami nagsasabi, hindi kami handa. Most of the countries said, no, this is unprecedented. Hindi natin ito napaghandaan. Bigla na lang dumating. No? Pero ang totoo niyan, maraming oras ang binigay ng Diyos sa atin para paghandaan ang lahat ng ito. So, if you want to live your life, live it to the fullest. No? Work as if it is your last. Always give the best shot. Okay? Para po mabigay natin yung ating yung best, no? Sino po ang kailangan natin sa buhay natin? No other than our family. Very important po yung ating family. Bakit? Sa pamilya po, natututunan lahat ng bagay. Lahat ng karakter, diyan po nabubuo. Diyan umuusbong yung lahat ng karakter na kailangan mo bilang isang magaling na leader. So, nandyan po yung encouragement. Diba? Naranasan nyo na ba na pag down na down ka, no? Lalapitan ka ng kapatid mo, ng nanay mo, no? Diyan mo siya na exercise. Diyan mo na nurture ng gusto yung iyong qualities. There is the feeling of encouragement, no? Ano ba yung encouragement? Someone that will lift you up or someone that will push you up, no? Yun po ang family. Hindi ka iniiwan ng pamilya. Whatever happens to you, no? Hindi ka isinasantabi. Lagi ka nilang isinasa alang-alang. Nandiyan yung tinatawag natin concern, no? That's why ito po yung aking family, no? Ayan, ako yung nasa harap, no? May 2 children and my wife there, no? Ay, yung susunod sa wife ko, sino yan? Wala. Photo bomber yan, no? Photo bomber. Sumingit. Okay? Okay. Do the right thing, no? As a leader, you should do the right thing even when no one is watching. Ang tawag dyan is integrity. Now, integrity, for me, is the highest form of honesty. No? Yung pagiging tapat, no? Sabi nga doon sa aming community, no? Sa BCBP, I am a member of BCBP, Brotherhood of Christian Businessmen and Professionals. Sabi doon, be honest even if others are not. Be honest even if others cannot. Be honest even if others will not. Okay? So, no matter how educated, talented, rich, or cool you believe you are, how you treat people ultimately tells all. No? Paano mo tratuhin yung tao? Paano mo siya bigyan ng pagpapahalaga? No? Integrity is everything. Doon po nasusukat ang iyong pagkatao. Paano mo tratuhin, paano ka makisama, paano yung pagpapahalaga, the shared values, no, that you give to your people, no, to your family, and to the business where you are in. Okay? And of course, no, as a good leader, you should always have this with you, no, excellence, no. Kailangan po yan. Pag nagtatrabaho ka, hindi dapat second-handed, no? Hindi dapat dekalidad pag ikaw nagtrabaho, no? Dapat you should always push yourselves to the limit. You should go beyond, no? Pag sinabi na ito yung target, dapat lalagpasan mo pa, no? You should excel in different aspect of your life, no? Dapat malagpasan mo kung ano yung binigay sa iyo, no, ng company. Malagpasan mo yung kanilang expectation, no? You should what? Go extra mile, no? Hindi yung na-extend ka lang ng isang oras, ma-extend ka lang ng 30 minutes sa company, medyo sumasama na loob mo, no? Extra mile ba yun, no? Giving your time to the company, no? Giving your extra time to your family, no? Giving extra time to the Lord, no? To our Creator. Those are extra mile. Yung bibigyan mo ng oras. No? Always give your best time, your best shot. No? That is excellence. And always remember, tayong mga leader, napapagod din tayo. No? Doon na tayo sa taas. Always remember that you are never alone. Hindi ka nag-iisa. No? Pagka nahihirapan ka, remember that there is always what? There is always, sabi natin kanina, there is always hope. Pagka pinag-usapan ng hope, no, nandyan lagi sa tabi natin ang Diyos para sa atin. Okay? Kaya, lagi ko pong sinasabi, when you are awake, give your best. No? When you want to take a rest, you sleep. No? Magpahinga ka din. No? Matulog ka ng maaga. Huwag ka masyadong magpupuyat. No? Dapat you maintain your health, no? No? Dapat matulog ka, no? Kasi bakit? No? Minsan huwag ka masyadong nag-aalala sa buhay mo. Huwag mo masyadong dinidibdib. Kung wala ka namang dibdib, ba't mo didibdibin? Huwag mo masyadong didibdibin ang problema mo. Bakit? Magpahinga ka, no? Itulog mo yan. Bakit? Hindi mo alam, no? Ako po, I believe that pagka tinulog mo yan, while you are asleep, God is solving our problem. So take a rest. No? Magpahinga din. Napapagod tayo. We're just only human being. No? Malay mo, no? Itulog mo lang to. Bukas wala na virus pag-isip mo. Ganun lang po ang buhay. No? Right now is the time for us for setting ourselves for a new. No? Palitan na natin yung mga lumang nakagawa natin. Baka baguhin na natin ngayon. No? As a good leader, we should what? No? We should lead first. No? Ang unang kalaban natin ay ang mga sarili natin. Okay? So, should start from within. Okay? For you to change. In order for the change to happen, you should what? You should execute. No? Take action today. Especially we are now experiencing this crisis in our life. No? Don't look crisis as problem. No? Always, as a leader, we look it as what? As an opportunity for us to make a new living, to be better, and to be stronger in life. Okay, thank you very much. No? Marami pong salamat. Congratulations to everyone. And gusto pong pasalamatan na siyempre yung ating audio video director, no? Ate Joy, thank you very much, no? Mukhang hindi nanginig yung camera ngayon, no? Mukhang hindi ka pasmado, mukhang puyat ka lang, okay? And of course, I would like to thank also yung mga kasamahan ko dito, Miss Julie May, our branch head, and of course, our ever hardworking driver, Nilo Selmar, no? Maraming salamat, bro, no? Si Romel, no? Na nandito, medyo late nga lang, no? Thank you very much. No, this is Doc Brisbane TV. Thank you very much. I hope you learned something. I hope you have add some values. No, thank you. God bless. Keep safe, everyone. Maraming pong salamat.